So, Elliot, how you're feeling now? You're 21 finally, not a kid anymore. आता आणि मुन्नाका हांव धाकटें आसा अजून पर्यंत 21 जावंक ना. So small flashback. Do you remember where us took room lights and make it a dark one and मागीर तुका हांव भिवयतालें तें? Okay, so from playing Zada Panachi Baji to preparing main course on the table, from being passenger princess to driving our mothers to church, from scaring you to lighting the floor to rock, from sharing bed to going long distance, from dreaming weddings to already having one, and of course, from wrestling to hugging each other, naughtiness, spicy stuff, and lot of good things. That's how we grew up. And I'm sure, as a sibling, I have given you at least 50% of your childhood, the best one, is it?
Tu crouce potele Fula cate saite me fotro sar magne cori travo civizzo pesatele 24 तारीख जुलायाची दिवली पेटली हुसवाडाची चोकिलीनाच्या गारा दाडा तुझी खबर ऐकून तू आपल्या खवसाल्या म्हूण खुशाल खायेन बोलो Koya hasheta besau tuje makta Sobitai tu korabiaci Diuli tancha kalsaci Kostri stronaka Collegiately, mostea ponagitli Fată haknel hai secondary Toshența ta collegin și pan topărtu Fishing honey, traveling, Netflix honey, driving Hachi tu ka havo Lan burgheațo mocțor Toshenț pozitiv tu ce mon Hani sopna votli Childhood dates, what's on Sanjay Doria, they kill with a local karate. Cooking honey, day out planning, night rides with the bike and Zumba dancing. I stay the karga di huya, tuja de naka di dinwa suya, dogai burgya, ondor korupna, exar como Novia furarak palmale și tu crouce potele Fula cate saite me foto sar magne cori travo civizzo pesatele Fula cate saite me foto sar magne cori travo civizzo pesatele